Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I've got a product overview for you on the Milwaukee M12 cordless rivet tool. So this is the Milwaukee M12 rivet tool, and it's really kind of a unique design. Right here you've got 3 additional tips depending on the size of the rivets you're going to use, and then the 4th tip is already installed right here. I'm going to be demonstrating using an 1/8 inch diameter rivet. Now the M12 battery right here clicks into place right there. There's a little light when you're using the tool, which is quite convenient, as well as an onboard wrench that allows you to replace the tips on the tool right there conveniently. And one thing is kind of unique is as it installs the rivets, you know, it cuts the pin, and when you load the new rivet in, it throws the pin out the back. And this is just like a little collection container so the pins don't end up all over the floor. So essentially what happens is the rivet goes in the end of this pin right here, and then where I've got the pre-drilled holes, I'm going to go ahead and put that rivet in there. I'm going to squeeze the trigger, and it's that quick. Talk about saving you hand fatigue. If you're doing any kind of production work, this tool is the way to go. Coming up next, my video on how to choose the right rivet for your project.